I know we got a couple of minutes, but if people join in, they just join in. But yeah, like I was saying, this is the first group webinar. A lot of y'all are already in my Discord. So it's already like family. We all family in here, you know? So weirdly, what I'm trying to do, a lot of y'all have had interactions with me. Hold on, person joining. Yeah, like I was saying, a lot of y'all already had like one-on-one interactions with me and kind of got a good feel for me, you know. Real chill, positive and all that. But y'all know, if y'all know me, my passion is this day trading stuff. And that's something I've been trying to preach for years now. Like ever since I came across it in 2020, I've been trying to preach it to my people. And this is how I'm doing it, you know, through these group webinars. Like I said, they're going to be held twice a month. And it's just an opportunity for us to kind of come together as a community and learn together and just kind of elevate our life within this trading space. So I'm gonna congratulate everyone in here, you know. Big props to y'all. So yeah. What we gonna do, the outline for this meeting today is gonna be, this is the intro right here, just me talking and giving that little spiel right there. I also want to have each one of y'all kind of introduce yourselves a little bit if y'all feel comfortable with that, just so it's more of a, it's a loose, slow vibe going on. Like this isn't no uptight type of meeting where you gotta be scared to talk or scared to show your emotion. Like this is raw emotion. It's fun. It's a vibe. It's an hour of just good vibes. So if anyone wants to start that off, give a quick introduction. Go ahead, turn on your mic and do so.
For sure. I start us off. I'm Sharambi. Like I said earlier, I'm not sure if anybody just recently joined. When it comes to day trading, I just started, like, I ain't gonna lie, like a couple days ago, honestly, for real, for real. I'm from Florida, but also I was born in Haiti. You see, I'm Haitian, so you feel me? And I like Kendrick. Yeah. But yeah, that's a little bit about me though.
Hell yeah. Appreciate it, bro. All right.
Who else going to go? All right, my name's Zai. I like Drake. Okay. And I'm not new to Forex, but I got a lot of knowledge and stuff on it, but I'm just actually putting in the work. Shout out to Ty for helping me.
Yes. Big congrats. All right, so Brandon, Trayvon.
All right. You can hear me?
Yes, sir. What's up, Brody?
All right. Yeah, it's Trevon. I'm Trevon. I'm new to it. I just kind of been a little interested, so I figured I'd tap in and see what you got to say.
I appreciate you joining in, my boy. And then Brandon.
Yo, y'all hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
That, like you said, my name is Brandon. I'm pretty neutral on the Kendrick and Drake stuff. 'Cause I only listen to one song from each of them. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm new to this day trading stuff, trying to learn, trying to see what you're talking about. And yeah,
Cool, cool, cool. All right, so now we know a little bit about each other and our experience. So that kind of just leads me into what I want to talk about first, is kind of just giving you guys that don't know what Forex is, basically telling y'all what that is. So I'm about to share my screen with y'all real quick. Can y'all see the chart?
Yep.
yes, sir.
Yeah, I can see it.
All right. So every time I get asked what is Forex, the simplest way I could put it is I anticipate the movement of a currency pair. What you are looking at is a currency pair. So when I say I anticipate the movement of this currency pair, I'm betting on price to increase as it is currently right now. This is price increase and price is going up. Or I could do it on the flip side and bid for price to decrease. So I could sell the market and make money going both ways. And it's just that simple, you know. If you get in a position you want to buy the market, you make money as the market moves up because you are a buyer, and it's vice versa. If you think the market is going to sell, you make money going backwards. Now, you may be asking, like, why should I even be trading? Like, why is this even important? Like, how's this going to help me in my daily life? And I'm a strong advocate on day trading kind of molding a person and instilling certain habits into a person's life that makes a successful human being, basically. So what I mean by that is, for one, I say this: trading enables you to trade 5 days a week. The market is open from Sunday at 5. The market just opened at 5 p.m. today, and it closes at Friday at 5. So all throughout that time span, you have 24 hours to sit there and make some type of money. And that kind of fuels that thought of financial freedom, just to be able to sit there and know that there is a way you can make money online at any time throughout your day. And say if you're a person with a job, you know, like some people might not want to do trading as a full-time thing, you know. If you are that person, well, just from experience, I know that if you combine trading with your daily job, that's 2 sources of income. And if you are a person that is knowledgeable on how money and growth and wealth is accumulated, you got to have multiple sources of income. So this is a great side hustle for that. And one more reason I'll say you should be trading basically is just because it forces you to kind of shift your mindset into thinking on the long-term perspective of life. As y'all know, we live in a world where everything's so fast-paced. Everybody wants stuff instantaneously, but that can be good. Yeah, it's good in the moment, but at the same time, it can be bad because it takes away from the element of patience. So it just helps you build that mindset to trust the process and take it one day at a time. And it's been a great help for me. I could be a great advocate for that. Now, in saying all that, like I mentioned before, all I do is buy and sell currency pair. This is a currency pair. And the main thing I've been trading for my last 4 years is the GBP JPY. So who knows about currencies? Like, who's aware of all the different currencies available in our world?
I am.
You know a little bit?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is all we are doing here. Like, we're dealing with those currency prices. So as you see here, this is the British pound and the Japanese yen, as it says, right? This just means that, I'll say it like this so you guys can get an understanding of it. So we're trading the GBP JPY right now, or we're looking at it. So the GBP is the quote unquote head of the snake, meaning it's the main thing you want to pay attention to, you know? If any given time throughout the day, the GBP is stronger than the JPY, price will increase. Throughout this whole time period here, the GBP is stronger than the JPY. Like, price is increasing. Can you guys see how price is increasing?
For sure.
You can see it?
Yeah, I can see that.
At one point in time, price was all the way down here at 187 flat. Now it rose exponentially all the way to 195. So that just means GBP is stronger than JPY. And if it was on the flip side, the JPY is stronger than the GBP, you'll see short-term downtrends such as this. Now, after saying all that, I'm going to now basically show you guys how I build my bias towards this. Like, basically do some analysis. This is called a top-down analysis I'm about to do. And it's basically how I prepare myself to know which way I should be trading within the market, whether that's buying or selling. First, before I move on, any questions, any thoughts, anything like that before I continue? No? All right, so like I said, this is the GBP JPY, and we are in an increasing market. So that means off the bat, I'm already looking for a bullish bias. We got the daily time frame. So what I'm about to do right here is give you guys a bias for each time frame. If you don't know what time frames are, there are these things up here, and they are just basically telling you the data of each candle. So each candle right here is representing a day. And the main thing I gained from my daily time frame is just this tool called a trend line. This line right here is called a trend line. And it's called a trend line because it flows with trend. I'll say that again. This line right here is called a trend line because it flows with the bullish trend. I stated multiple times that we know GJ is in an upwards market. This price is increasing. When I tell you it's going to keep on increasing for probably the rest of the year, it's going to keep on going up. So I found this on my daily time frame, and these green little bubbles right here are the touch, like when price tapped this trend line. So it came down, tested it here, price rose. Came down, price tested it again on the daily time frame, came up. Price did some sideways movement. Sideways movement could also be called consolidation within the market. Tested it again, rose, still in the consolidation. Tested it again, price shot up crazy. And as y'all see, this last test right here happened on May the 6th, which was last week. So yeah, all this bullish volume here happened last week. So let's say we were looking at the market when this daily candle happened, right? We'll just do this real quick. What do y'all expect? Well, you already seen it, but after seeing the tap of this, what are y'all expecting after price comes off this trend line? Are y'all expecting price to go up or go down?
Say that one more time again.
When price comes off, like I said before, all these taps, price had increased off of this sideways trend line. So after the tap that happened on May 6th, what's expected to happen?
Expecting it to go up.
It's going to go straight up, right? And that's what it did. So going into this week, that's all I'm looking for. I'm looking to continue this overall increase in price, you know? So what we can say, this is how I basically keep track of the bias I'm supposed to be in. The daily time frame is bullish. The term bullish means exactly what you just said, Suave. It means price is going up. It's just like, it's a bull. That's just what they use in terminology. If it was bearish, that means price is going down. It's bullish and bearish. Now you're looking at the 4-hour time frame. And as you may notice, you're already seeing a lot more data, right? Like, aren't you guys kind of getting lost in the sauce right now? Or nah?
Nah.
Just a little bit for me though, bro.
Yeah, let me know. Like,
I'm keeping up. I'm watching it too. My bad.
Nah, it's cool. I want y'all to let me know. Like, if I'm talking too fast, tell me. If y'all don't understand something, tell me. So, Ramby, you say you don't understand.
Yeah.
So, Suave just said that after we came off of this trend line push, price was going to go up.
Mhm.
That's exactly what price did, right? These next candles, price is increasing.
Right.
But this is the daily time frame, meaning each candle holds 24 hours of data within it. We can't really analyze this market just by looking at this time frame. So we have to go on smaller time frames to really see what's happening within all of this. So
Okay,
when
gotcha.
I go down on my 4 hour, this is what's happening. It's the same movement, but it's just more details.
Gotcha.
Now, I say this a lot when I teach, but if it's one thing you guys can take away from this session, it's to be able to learn market structure and the basic movement of the market. Basic market structure will look something like this. Price will go up. This is for a bullish market, meaning price is increasing. Price will go up, price will go down, up, down, up. This type of structure right here means that price is in a bullish market, it's increasing and you're buying. This type of structure here is bearish. Price is decreasing, as y'all see. Now, each of these points have a name. At the bottom, they're high low points. I'm gonna change the way that looks because I know that looks stupid. Higher highs, higher lows in the uptrending market. This is how you categorize the uptrending market. And we're going to stick with this example here because that's what we're about to look at right here. So if you guys can remember anything from today's session, it's this. A bullish market will look like this, where it has higher highs, price come down, makes a higher low point. Once that higher low point is found, price will increase and break above the previous highs to make a new higher high. And then the process will continue until this happens. I'll touch on this later, but let's stick with this example here. Like I said, this higher high, higher low point, and pay attention to how we are seeing that within the current market. And literally, I can just draw it out. Starting from this point here, we can draw out these higher highs and higher lows. It's the same type of action. Higher low point, higher high, higher low. I'm gonna change this into the 1 hour real quick because I know it's tight. Never mind. But can any of you see how that same structure that we applied here is definitely being played out within this live price? If so,
Yeah, I can see it.
that's good. So let me ask you this, Swab. If you were looking to enter within this increase in market, right? Where would you put your money at? Would you put your money at the higher high to buy, or would you put your money at the higher low to buy?
The low.
At the low. What makes you say that?
Don't you always want to catch it before it rise?
Exactly. It's exactly that. So, because like you just said, we want to enter at these higher low points because that is where we will catch basically the move, essentially.
Gotcha.
What you do on this time frame, this 4 hour time frame, is you put yourself in position to buy at these points, at higher low points. So let's really get into price. I'm gonna take all this off because none of this matter right now. That's my previous markups, but it'll be okay. This is price's current higher low. This is price current higher high point. And right now, price is going to decline so it can find that next higher low point. So me as a trader, I am literally plotting on that. Like I'm waiting for price to find wherever this new higher low is going to be found. It could be found anywhere. As long as it doesn't break below this higher low point here, I'm looking for that next point of structure to be played out. Just based off of my experience, I can already tell you guys that this blue zone right here is definitely where I anticipate price to find this new higher low point. That's based off of previous structure. And this point I'm about to make is about to prove to you guys that a lot of the movement that price makes is not random. It's actually like, it can be predetermined a lot. So in this case here, all price will be doing is retesting a previous point. This is a higher high. Price made a higher low point. Just follow my cursor for a second. Price made a higher high up here. Price came down, made a higher low point. Price came all the way up, made a higher high point. And now what the retest is when price comes back to retest that previous higher high point. Do you guys see that? Or kind of see what I'm trying to predict for this market?
Yeah, I get what you're trying to what you're trying to show us. I get that.
Yeah. So that's really all. Right now, we're on the 1 hour time frame. And this just means that every candlestick you're seeing is worth 1 hour of data. Right now it is 7:35. So this is how this hour's candle is looking right now. It's not really much. I don't want you guys really to pay attention too much. If you do want to watch this, this app I'm on is TradingView. So if you want, save this website, TradingView. This is how you view the currency pairs. This is how you view anything. You can view stocks, you can view cryptocurrencies, you can view literally anything you want on this platform here. But that's all I'm be waiting for. Price come down. Once price comes down, we may get some action. It hits down here, and then we'll start forming that bullish structure back to the upside. And yeah, that's essentially my breakdown on GJ. I can't really go too more in depth because we have to wait for time to pass. Everything is time based within Forex, but I'm bullish on GJ. If you guys would like to catch the move with me, because I'm sure the move is going to happen tonight during London session. By the end of the session, we could sign you guys up with a fake account, a demo account to trade fake money, so you're not investing your real capital within the market. But I just want you guys to get used to seeing money move. Like Ramby, I know you said you closed that order on GJ last time we entered, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Bro, I know at one point in time you had seen over $120 in profit in your
Yeah,
account.
it was crazy.
I know you did, bro. That move was crazy.
That was wild.
Like it was last week, me and Tramby, we was looking at GJ when it was looking like this. I think we were right here. It was like 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna show you guys literally all we did, like, and what we were doing while we were waiting.
Nah, that's funny though.
Bro, it was crazy.
Yo, that's funny as hell though. I ain't gonna flag.
Crazy as shit.
Wow.
But so this was on Thursday. This was Thursday. It's in GMT time. So it says 20. If you look at the bottom, it says the time at the bottom. It says 20, but that really means 8 o'clock. This candle opened at 8 o'clock and it closed at 9. And I seen this I'll say this. We bought because all the reasons I had just mentioned that GJ is bullish. So automatically I'm like, all right, bro, we're buying. Like it's no other question. So this candle had closed. I'm on the 5 minute right now. This is where you really get your entries at. And I was like, the next support we're going to enter at. And it's that simple. The support was there. Long story short. We got in around here. I set my stop loss for 15, 20 pips. For you guys that are new to Forex, stop loss is basically, so act like this is real live market. And I just entered the market. I entered the market. This is my entry price in the middle. All this red is drawdown. This is quote unquote money I'm willing to risk. On this move, I think you was risking, I want to say it was probably like $30 he was risking on this move. This is a demo count too. It's not real money, but he was risking like $30. And what the
Not,
stop loss does,
I think it was. I know it was $1.05. I think that's what it was. It was not. I didn't go too crazy.
yeah, you was risking $1.05 per pip.
You're right. That's true. Okay.
This is like 20 pips, so it kind of evens out to like $30 somehow.
You're right.
But what the stop loss does is it basically, once it's hit, your order will close automatically. Like you don't got to worry about price continuing to dump and you're continuously in drawdown. Like that's some scary shit. But and then take profit was take profit. But literally, once we entered, this was the market. This was the market. We were safe. You see, our stop loss never got hit, and price is just increasing. Well, let me slow it down. And when I tell y'all the whole time this move is playing out, me and bro was talking about how to. I'm trying to get my layup package and my hesitation right in the game. Like we literally talking about basketball and shit, and we're literally up in profit. By the end of the night, I know you seen, like I said, $120, which is crazy. As we were just talking
Yeah,
about.
but I pulled out. I pulled out way before that. Way before that. Cause I pulled. I know. I remember. Cause I pulled out. I took a nap. I woke back up, and then that's when I said, "I was like, damn."
You probably pulled
And I
out.
tried entering. I tried. No. I tried entering back in there, but I
Mhm.
forgot. I forgot to set a stop loss. So yeah, yeah. So that was that. But that's
Nah,
what we learning though. That's what we learn. That's what we're here for.
hell yeah.
Yeah.
And this move only took, what just happened? The move, it really only took about like 4 hours. Well, like this is really a move right here. This is a continuation, but just this push right here happened in really 2 hours, I should say. Like it's a great profit you can make real fast. And yeah, before I move on, is everybody okay? Because I know I'm spitting out a lot of information, and I hate trying to overwhelm people with information.
We good. Well, I'm good.
Good, Brandon, you good?
Yeah, I'm good too, man.
I'm following you. You good?
All right,
I'm cooler.
all right, good, good, good. But yeah, that was the move me and bro caught, and like I said, I'm anticipating some other moves happening. Um, and if you guys want to participate in the move, I think the only person in here that's not signed up with a broker is Suave. I'm pretty sure, Brandon, I got to you when I met up with you last time. Um, but yeah, Suave, whenever, because like you could start trading tonight. Like I don't know what your schedule looks like. Your work schedule and all that. This currency pair does move the most from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. So anywhere throughout that time, you could feel free to trade within this market. And I could do the same thing with you. And I've been doing with Zai as well. Like we're literally just watching price and predicting when to get in the market. So yeah, if you want to hit me up, if you want to, sign it up, or we can do it today after the conclusion of this meeting. But that's really all the chart.
All right.
You said, all right.
Yeah. All right.
All right. But yeah, that's really all the chart work I wanted to do for this meeting. If you're in the Discord, I'm gonna keep on updating you guys on what I'm looking at on GJ. But other than that, like I said, this meeting is just to educate you guys on a little bit of what I do and why I believe you should be doing it too. And really just answer some questions that you guys have or concerns y'all have about this market. So if you guys have any questions, any more information you want to work on, or even any other currency pairs you want to look at, this is your time to do so.
I just want you to go back to what you had said about how the price changes, they're not random. Like that goes back to I forgot what you said. But I'm not sure if you get what I'm getting at though.
Are you referring to when I was saying that like all this going on, it's like it's not by chance. It's like you could
It's actually, like the prices is not by chance, like because you had circled something, you were like it's gonna come back to because you predict where it's gonna the new the new high low point was gonna be at. I just want you to go back and touch up on that a little bit.
gotcha. So let me think how I could say this. So okay, I'll put it in this way. We are all human. We are man and woman, right? And but this is how I'm about to give it to you. So you just gotta follow. You're human, and as humans, we have habits, we have cycles, we have seasons where we just do the same shit over and over. And essentially all the market is a combination of humans. It's a combination of people looking at this chart and developing such a strong bias that it actually moves the chart. So just knowing that it's all human participants within this market, you could confidently say that there's going to be habits and things that happen guaranteed every time because that's what we do as humans, Like we wake up and brush our teeth every day. We wake up and take a shower every day because it's habit. Or maybe it's because you want to be clean, but at the end of the day, it's a habit. So it's the same thing applies to the market, When we come back to this example here, when people see these higher low points found and they identify them, they're buying, and that's a habit. Like when people see support areas or these higher low points, they're buying by habit because that's what they're trained to do. That's what they do. Even as far as this real time example here, that's all that's happening. Like price found a resistance. This is a higher high point, aka a resistance. Like I said, it's basically an area where price bounced its head. Price got stopped out. It hit its head up here. It's starting to decline a little bit. So in this example, when price finds a resistance, it's going to decrease. And that's by habit because people know that. So when I say that this area, like when I say, I remember when I was talking about the retest area, like how this is about to retest the same thing.
Yeah.
That's habit. People buy at retest areas or they sell at them. Like it's a continuous pattern. And like even here, a retest happened here as well. This was a higher high point. Price came down, formed a higher low point. Price came up, made a higher high point. That new higher low point retested this previous area. Can y'all see that? Retested the same price.
Gotcha.
So that's what I mean by it's like, it's not by chance, I promise you. And once you pick up on these things, like I'm able to pick up on these things, of course, because I have many years experience within this market. But I don't want you guys thinking that's going to take, it's not going to take y'all as long as it did for me to pick up on these chart habits because I am here to help y'all. So I could tell you guys this is going to happen because I've seen it happen for 4 damn years. Like this is, it's a, like, you feel me? Like, I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah,
But
in other words, that tested area will be considered as a pullback too. When you see market structure going up, it has to have a pullback.
that's correct. If you guys don't understand what she's saying, she's just mentioning these areas here. These are the pullbacks she's talking about. And like as I mentioned, those have to happen. Like without no pullback, there's no opportunity for more people to buy.
Like what goes up must come down type of shit.
Yes.
Literally.
I'm already know.
But yeah,
All right. Nah, for sure. I see that. I bet. I'm gonna be dangerous as hell. Yeah.
you are.
Myself.
Look, we all are though. Like honestly, bro, like I can tell, like Zai, you was just saying, like you've been known about the market, but it's just you weren't being a participant overall. Like you weren't participating in the market and looking, right?
Yes.
But have you ever noticed that once you start looking and actually start really engaging with the market, you see success within it?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
I was a hefty ass yes, so I agree with her.
Yep. Yep.
Hefty as hell. I'm already know. On my
Same
That
thing.
word
That's
test.
the thing.
already know.
Yeah. Yeah. So look, y'all already on board with her yes right there. So I only got two more, you feel me?
Sure, that motherfucker was strong. Like, yes.
But yeah, man. Any more questions? Because if not, I'm gonna wrap this up and I don't want to take too much of y'all time. So any other questions?
Oh, I had one. That area of support right there, right? From higher lows. Can that be used, well, considered as a fair value gap?
Mm, I, I. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like those terminologies.
Oh God. Okay.
I don't like those. Those are too complicated for my brain.
Try to throw your curveball.
Yeah, a little bit. She tried.
Cool player. It's cool.
Maybe you could
What's
educate.
the name? What's the name of the software?
Okay, this is TradingView right here. This is
Oh,
Oh, trading. Yeah.
yeah. When you load it up, it should look like this. Or let me go on. It should look like this.
Right.
And like I said, reach out to me whenever you're ready to open up your demo account, and we can kind of work more on one-on-one. And
Okay.
you'll be signed. That's when I'll sign you up for Sway. This is where you actually execute your trades. Right now, this is a demo account. It's $1,000 balance. But if I wanted to enter the market, I could type in my lot size right here. I'll put a 0.10 in, and we can sell the market right now. And this is my position right here. I have an open position running. I'm down 90 cents right now, but it's demo money, so I don't care. And yeah, other than that,
Nah, but take it from me though, that demo money will have your heart still hurting a little bit though. I ain't gonna,
facts.
I ain't gonna,
Actual facts.
I ain't gonna care to you. Like, damn, what if I actually did? Down? You feel me? She's gonna have your heart hurting.
believe it or not, I feel like personally, I feel like trading live is easier than trading demo. Like I don't know why. But I
Well,
just
wait till I get a little comfortable. I'm gonna join you on that side. But for now, I'm gonna stand in a little kiddie pool real quick.
Hey,
I
and
mean,
that's smart. I done
yeah.
lost some money in this, and I don't want y'all doing the same. That's why I'm here.
How much have you lost? If that's a safe question.
No, that's completely valid. Of my own personal capital, see me, I'm very fortunate because I have a good supporting cast around me. So, but overall, my own personal hard-earned capital, I probably lost about 2 grand of my own personal capital. And
Wow.
but don't think all of that is just straight like putting into a broker. Like some of those expenses have also came from me trying to pass funding challenges and trying to become a funded trader, basically. So
Gotcha.
those expenses tie into that as well.
Got you.
Got it.
All right. Well,
How the funded account going?
it is currently deceased.
Oh, for real.
I with me no more now. I lost it. What's today? May. I lost it like at the end of April on some dumb shit, but that's for another day. That's another story to tell.
But is that the best route to go though? Like getting a funded account?
It is. I promise you. And that's my goal for all of y'all is to get funded. That's the best way to go.
It's people out here that get like 10K payouts.
That's nice.
Bro.
Yeah,
And all
that's
they
crazy.
do is take one trade.
And look, tell them,
Wow.
man. And then, look, I know y'all saying, wow, it probably don't even sound real, do it. Like 10K in one trade. Like, what? Man,
That's a little bit too type of vibe, but I'm already knowing shit like that be happening.
Yeah.
It just sounds nice to me though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah.
all right, y'all. Well, we reached the hour. Once again, I do appreciate y'all really coming, man. Like, this is love, this is support, and this is really what is needed to build a community. So I appreciate y'all for real, man.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks for the invite, man. For sure.
Appreciate
Yeah,
you.
appreciate you.
And it was nice meeting y'all too. Even you, Drake
Hey,
fan.
nice meeting you.
You, Drake fan. I know she heard me.
Nice,
Yeah. Huh?
nice meeting you too.
That's me, for sure. All right, though, brother. Again, bro, thank you for inviting me. And I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna hit you up a little later too.
Yeah, all y'all tap in with me. Y'all know I'm here to help y'all. So
For sure, for sure.
All right, bro.
Go to meet y'all in person too. We gotta probably link up and like do something, whatever.
For sure, for sure.
Sure.
Down
Sure.
for that.
man, gold star for you, bro. You doing your thing. Keep going.
Yeah. You know. All right, though.
All right,
All right, my
y'all.
boy.